Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to make text reveal in CapCut, what you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, how to make text reveal in CapCut. First, just add the video to the timeline and then click text. After that, click the plus icon. And here you can adjust the text to match the clip, and here you can type your text, and here the font, you can change the font. For example, this one, Arial Black, and font size, you can increase the color. After that, click animation and be sure is in, and then scroll down until you see showing up, and here you can adjust the duration. Here it's half second. Okay, you can, for example, here increase it to 2 seconds. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to make text reveal in CapCut. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.